Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to simplify 105 times 2 divided by 3 times 5 minus 6. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it. So 105 times 2 divided by 3 times 5 minus 6. So there are multiple operations, that is multiplication, division, bracket, subtraction is given. So what to start with first? So we are going to opt BODMAS rule that help us where to start the simplification. Where B stands for bracket, that means you have to first solve the bracket, then of, then division, then multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. So 105 times 2 to solve the bracket first, we'll write the all terms like same. So it's 15 minus 6. So 105 times 2 divided by 15 minus 6. So we can write this as 105 times 2 by 15 minus 6. We can cancel out it with 7 times 2 minus 6, that is 14 minus 6, which is equals to 8. That's how you can solve this type of simplification. I hope you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.